Hi, I'm Madison, and this is my final project. So I did my final project on Smart Start Partnership for Children. As a part of its mission, Smart Start Partnership for Children invests in young children and their families so they can have opportunities they need to succeed at school and in life. Supporting, educating, and advocating for the well-being of young children in the community is their mission. They accomplish this by partnering with local organizations that improve the quality of early childhood education, increase access to affordable, high-quality care for children while their parents work or attend school, provide the tools families need to support their child's healthy development, and expand early literacy opportunities so that every child in Henderson County begins school ready to learn to read. As a part of the Partnership for Children program, Smart Start is governed by a board of directors that includes representatives from parents, healthcare agencies, public agencies, private businesses, faith communities, child care centers, educational institutions, civic organizations, and concerned citizens. The board of directors is comprised of volunteers who contribute their expertise, professional resources, and their time. The officers for the program are the chair, Cynthia Wilcox, vice chair, Summer Stipe, treasurer, Amber McPhee Blanco, secretary, Honey Burrell, and then the board members are Jessica Bentley, Kim Berry, Preston Blakely, Honey Burrell, Michael Burrell, Renee Knapp, Janice Major, Shannon Marlowe, Terry Mabin, Amber McPhee Blanco, Lacey Otts, Summer Stipe, Heather Taylor, Lisa Whitney, and Cynthia Wilcox. For the staff members, we're going to start with Sonia Giranda. She's the Executive Director of Smart Start Partnership for Children. She has 28 years of experience working with children and families and holds a master's degree in mental health counseling. And then Erica Woodall is the Assistant Director for the Smart Start Partnership for Children. She has a Master of Public Health degree from the University of Washington and has worked in nonprofits for the last 20 years. Then we have Kelly Hart, the Program Director of Smart Start Partnership for Children. She has 12 years of experience working in social services and for nonprofits, and she holds a master's degree in counseling. Next, we have Ashley Lamb, who's the Program Coordinator. She holds a bachelor's degree in business administration and has worked in human resources as well as small business management. She's also the facilitator with the local Henderson County Racial Equity Collective. Next, we have Ruth Ramirez Tifola. I hope I'm saying that right. She's the Data and Program Support Specialist for Family Connects. She holds a bachelor's degree in business administration. For the university, I have it listed on the slide. I don't want to butcher the name. And she's worked in the nonprofit world for the last 16 years. Then we have Adrienne Gilbert, who is the Regional Resilience Project Manager. She holds a master's degree in public health and behavioral sciences and health education from Emory University and a bachelor's degree from the University of Michigan in English Literature and Fine Arts. She has a passion for relationship development on the micro and macro levels and is passionate about connecting people to create systems that better serve our communities, children, and families. Next, we have Kendall Heck, who is the Kindergarten Transition Coordinator. She holds a bachelor's degree in elementary and early childhood education. She's worked as a teacher in elementary, preschool, and ESL classes for the past 10 years. And lastly, we have Lorraine Norwood, who's the office administrator. She has 25 years of experience working in journalism, archaeology, and office administration. She holds bachelor's degrees in English creative writing and anthropology, as well as a master's degree in archaeology. Is the board of directors a policy-driven board, or is it primarily there to raise funds? The Smart Start program is a policy-driven board. Who is the chairperson of that board? That would be Cynthia Wilcox, who is an independent insurance agent. So how was Cynthia, the chairperson, nominated? Board members can nominate themselves or be nominated by another board member. After the nominations are made, the board members then vote to approve the new chairperson. do board members serve? They can serve for 3 years, and they can renew for another 3-year term, but after that they have to wait a year before coming back to serve on the board. Diversity achieved on the makeup of the board. Kelly Hart, the program director, is who I spoke with, and she said, not really, efforts are made, but it's very challenging. They feel as though they've achieved diversity in regards of age and life experiences, but not so much racially. She said they want to have board members that are involved and motivated over having token board members specifically chosen because of their race. How many staff are employed with this agency? There are 8 staff members. And then how many of the staff fall into diverse categories? The staff is also not very diverse. There is one staff member who is of a different cultural background, but other than that, there's not much diversity happening in terms of gender or age. All right, and finally, what suggestions would I have for this organization? For this program, I would suggest reaching out to different cultures within the community, not only to look for families to provide assistance, but also individuals who may be interested in contributing their time and efforts toward the program, whether that be through serving on the board or working as a staff member. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.